Hey there, this is Mary Lou Kaiser of Three Fat Birds, and you are about to watch a video on how to make original images with quotes. You've probably seen these all over Facebook and perhaps other social media channels. It's something I get asked about. How do you do that? What's a simple way? And this video is going to show you exactly that. And these are those really fun, oftentimes funny images that people are sharing on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Also, you can use them on your blog or website. They can be a way to drive traffic to pages on your blog or website. What you're going to need is a computer, internet access, and your imagination. And I'm going to show you some great resources. So let's get started. Okay, so our first step is to get the free sources that we're going to use to build our inspirational or motivational quote or funny quote or whatever you're going to do. And the image editor that I like to use is a free one. It's called Pixlr. It's pixlr.com. And so you want to go there, and you're going to be using this photo editor in a minute. But before we do this, I want to show you where we're going to get those really nice backgrounds for the image that you're going to post in your social media channels. I like to use a royalty-free image source called Stock Exchange. It's free. Its website is www.sxc.hu, and you do have to create an account in order to access the images, and I've already done that. So I'm logged in, and obviously you can do that, but the process once you're logged in is what I'm going to demonstrate right here. So what I want to point out to you is that up here at the very top under the banner is a little drop down window, and for our purposes we're going to play with abstract images, and I like the textures because textures give a really good background for writing. So I open that up, and as you can see there are over 1,300 different background images, all free, that I can choose from. And so I'm going to scroll down, and this one is really pretty, this sunset. So I click on it. Once it has opened in a new window, I scroll down a little bit, and I want to click this download right here. And you'll see that it opens in a new tab on your computer, and it's an enormous image. And what you want to do is take your mouse and right click, click Save Image As. Make sure that you have a folder that you're keeping images in. I'm going to name it Sunset 1 and save the image. Now I'm going to go to Pixlr, and I'm going to open the photo editor, and I'm going to open Image from Computer because I want to open that image that I just saved from Stock Exchange. Now once you're in Pixlr, go up to File. Now I'm going to find that image, and the folder I just saved it in is what pops up, so I got to scroll down and find Sunset 1, click open, and voila, now I have my image. Now this image is way too big to post on Facebook, so I'm going to resize it, and to do that I click on the toolbar up here, image size, and I'm going to give it a width of 400, and it's going to automatically give it a height of 300. That's a pretty good size for Facebook timeline. And I'm going to hit OK. Now notice it's really, really small, but that's okay because I can still do what I need to do with it. I am going to now hit Edit, select all, copy. I'm going to create a new image really quick, and it comes up being the exact width and height that I want. I'm going to click the transparent because I always do, hit OK. And now I'm going to hit Edit again and paste. And now I have an image that I can work with, and I can close out this other one because we're done with that. Okay, now I need to get a quote, and I prefer, there's a lot of great ones, but I really like BrainyQuote. It's brainyquote.com. You can browse by topic, you can browse by type of quote, and for today's purposes I'll pick motivational, and it'll pull up several pages of great quotes. I'm going to scroll down, and so I'm going to pick that one. And once I'm back in Pixlr, I've got my quote, I have to click on this A And that's going to bring up a text box. And you just put act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Now I want to position this. I can change the font color. Right now it's black. I'm going to see what white looks like. You can go in here and choose any color you want. I know the code for the white is FFF. Hit OK. It's changed. I can change the font style. I can make the font bigger or smaller. I'm going to go with 48, 45. And in order to get it to fit, I need to adjust the type in here. Now if I want to move this around, which I do, to center it, I just take the cursor while I'm still in the text box and center it. If I want to have the it does be a little bit more centered, I can just tab it over till it gets to where I like it. I hit OK. And voila, there is my image. Now I just have to save it. So File, Save, and I want to give it a name. I'll say difference, quote. JPEG, good for most photos, is perfect. And I'm going to save it in my same folder. And I'm done. And that's how you make your original image with a quote.